Let's subtract. 1 minus 1 equals 0. If we have one apple and we take away that one apple, we have 0 apples left. 2 minus 1 equals 1. If we have 2 bananas and we take away one banana, we have only one banana left. 3 minus 1 equals 2. If we have 3 oranges and we take away one orange, we only have 2 oranges left. 6 minus 3 equals 3. We have 6 birds. If we take away 3 of those birds, there are only 3 birds left. 8 minus 2 equals 6. If we have 8 cows and we take away 2 cows, there are only 6 cows left. 10 minus 5 equals 5. We have 10 chairs, and if we take away 5 of those chairs, we only have 5 chairs left.